the Wi-Fi. I mean, if like the internet like you got to give it like 5 minutes though, because it could go out. Is it good? Yo, what's up? So I've been on my YouTube. I'm seeing if I can do a stream today. I'm just kind of testing the Wi-Fi, and then if it works, I'll keep streaming. So I've entered this trading view competition. We're gonna see how I do, but I don't think it's gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna do well. Q. I wonder if you can like full port. How do I create limit order? Is it lagging? Not. I'm not talking about the delay. I don't care about the delay. I mean the internet, like the internet yourself. Is it good? Okay. If there's, I'm gonna just run this for like 5-10 more minutes. If there's any issues or any like internet or lagging, let me know. And no promises I'll be able to stream YouTube today, but I'll try. How do I create limit order? There's definitely sound, bro. Go to Euro USD. Oh, I was on crypto. Oops. There we go. So if I want to risk 1,000, I do this. No, I'm trying to do both. Yeah, you can trade Forex. Yeah, and keep letting me know if there's any issues. Make an announcement that goes well. I kind of like how we kind of took sell side here. We're inside an inverse, so this would be your confirmation setup right here. Get it? Oh wait, and we did sweep this sell side. We don't need to sweep sell side again. Yeah, we'll see. No, I'm trading NQ today. I'm just kind of talking. I'll go on. I'm only trading fun today. I'm not. Sound is cutting out a bit. Oh wait, it's might be because of my filters. It might be because of my filters. We'll see. So again, there's no issues with the internet so far for you guys on YouTube. All right. Okay. Well, I guess I'll make an announcement. Say everyone's good. Again, for now, I'm not taking any trades. I'm just kind of marking stuff up. Like again, I'm marking this 5-minute fair value gap. Or IFVG. I want to see how we react to it. And yeah, I'm not taking trades yet. Yeah, my strategy works on Bitcoin. Is anyone taking this 5-minute inverse? I'm just curious. Okay. Good luck. Again, I don't want to jump into a trade. Why don't I want to jump into a trade right now? Yeah, we already took buy side. We're so 50-50. I feel like there's no bias right now. We didn't inverse this. See how we're kind of holding this? So I don't like a trade anymore. I don't like a trade right now. This is more of a pattern. Like this is a good pattern, just not a good trade, if that makes sense. So again, I'm not touching anything yet. I mean, you were inside a 15-minute fair value gap. We don't really have a bias. We already kind of took buy side here. So longs are definitely risky, but so are shorts because we're at all-time highs. So I really I want to wait for more certainty. So I chose trade ovate. All right, let me change the title of this stream. Do you guys like the title I put? Also, we do have 10 a.m. news as well. That's the other thing. Like, we have 10 a.m. news. Again, I'm not saying that this isn't going to work, but I don't want to get in a trade. That's all it is. It's not that it's a bad play. It's just I would rather wait. Again, the signature and the pattern and price here looks good. I'm not going to lie. Just I don't want to take a trade. Okay, that's all it is. Because, again, 10 a.m. news. I want to see what the market does. And yesterday was so good. Like yesterday was insane price action. I don't want to jump into a trade before I know what kind of, like I feel like I'm not in the flow of price action yet. I need to get in the flow of price action. So, we'll just kind of wait. Yeah, it's called AGFX indicator. If you just type in AGFX watermark, this thing right here, you can customize it. This is the MNQ chart, which I should definitely go on the I'm gonna go on the NQ chart actually. I gotta be careful to get off that. I don't want to take a trade on it yet. Also, YM is kind of Again, YM's consolidating as well. Like, I just want to wait. So again, 5-minute would have been a fail. Exactly why I'm not taking it. Also, wait, let me pull up Forex Factory. Yeah, so 10 a.m. news. I want to trade before this. FOMC member, FOMC member, FOMC member. Oh, today's gonna be fun, man. And we had a 60-point move during Asia, so it's like that's the other reason I don't want to take a trade. Now would actually be a good time to use this. This is a cool indicator. So I'm just gonna check off USD red folder. So again, USD red folder. March 1st, 10 a.m. ISM revised consumer. So until then, I don't want to take a trade. I actually like, so I know you're thinking, you're probably like, oh, why did Dodgy mark out that 5-minute fair value gap? Technically, I would not consider this 5-minute IFVG a fail until this 3-minute gets closed below, because this would be the inception fair value gap. Now, does it have any effect on? Does it have any effect on me? No, because I'm not in a trade. Like, I don't care about it. So it has no effect on me. But I would consider it an official fail if this kind of got closed below the 3-minute, or even like the 2-minute run right here. Like, we could still wick off this imbalance, but doesn't matter. No, because I'm not in the trade. I'm just kind of watching. All right. What's my bias on EU? My bias on EU is definitely not. I think bullish. Bullish if we violate this. We took this 4-hour sell side. I need to get off this. We took this 4-hour sell side right here. All right. And yeah, I think we just need to break over this because we can put in an order block here maybe. And then that would be a decent order block. So again, if you guys don't know what an inception fair value gap is, all it is when there's like a 5-minute inverse, but there's also a 3-minute for bullish fair value gap. I wouldn't cut the position until this gets closed below, because this is still technically like valid. Jabbers, I don't use that. And yeah, I can do the Anders. All right, let me make an announcement about the stream. It looks like the Wi-Fi is gonna be good. Again, I could totally not even take a trade today. We'll see. If you guys haven't already, leave a like on the stream. If you don't leave a like, your pillow's gonna be cold tonight when you flip it over. Dave Teaches is a scammer? Why would you say that? Yeah, what's up, Francis? Yeah, we'll see if we can get good price action. Again, I went live. My lives on Tuesday and Wednesday in my Discord were pretty rough. It was very tough trading conditions. So I took a loss on Wednesday and I just stopped. So By the way, for you guys in my Discord, if you wouldn't mind pulling up my YouTube stream and just like putting on a mute or something, that would help me a lot, and then leave a like. Again, it's up to you, but I'll check CL in a second. I'm gonna post a stream link. I bet you if NQ's trash, CL will be good today, so. Dave's content is pretty good. I like Dave's content. It's very simple. He has the same strategy, does the same thing every time. The only thing I don't like about Dave's concepts is he doesn't really factor drawn liquidity into play. But like mechanically, like using just structure, I think his concepts are fine. Especially for someone trying to be like more mechanical, I think his concepts are good for that. You know, I think Dave's a cool guy. Do I have any lifetime prices for Discord? Yeah, I do, but I wouldn't suggest buying them right now. They're not a discount. And I'm not trying to steal your money, so. And yeah, dude, when I look at his streams, he's like, it looks like my third grade coloring class. I mean, I understand though, because there's times where I'll draw on a chart, like I'll draw a bunch of stuff, and again, if I was new to the market, I wouldn't have any idea what I'm drawing. Like, imagine if I just started drawing all these lines and I was a new trader in the market. Like, what if I came on my stream, would I understand what any of this means? No, it's probably the same with Dave. Like, you don't understand what it means till you learn the stuff. So, I like Tristan. I don't know what his theories do. I know they're very like algorithmic, but I think they're overcomplicated. So I try not to overcomplicate stuff. So anything with more than 5 scientific words about an ICT concept, I'm like, yep, I don't care about it, because I'm trying not to overcomplicate things. So. Yeah, I like Tanya. I was on the phone with Tanya the other day. Day, I like, dude, Day, like, I don't know, man. I've been thinking about, I don't know. I've looked in the quarterly theory a little bit, but I just don't think it's truly necessary. I mean, I'm profitable, but I think quarterly theory is good. Right? He predicted that Thursday reversal the other day, which I agreed with it. But did I need quarterly theory to know that? No. Um, so I don't know. Angelo, I'm not gonna mention his name. He watched my live stream for like 3 months though, and then he started his own stuff and now sells his own stuff. Talking about quarterly theory. Yo, DD, you know how during AM sessions NQ is. Yeah, so if you ever see NQ as choppy, I mean CL is pretty good. Okay, so like if I were to go to the CL chart now, you can already see CL is very clean, and we finally hit that buy side that I've been looking at. So, again, this is the buy side I've been looking at for the past few days. We kind of had high here, so you kind of got a lot of low resistance liquidity. And what happened is we kind of made relative equal highs here, so that's just a key sign that we're going to go back up. So now that we kind of ran buy side here, a lot of people ask me, they're like, how do you know the buy is here? Okay, how do I know the buy is here? I literally just watch for the reaction on the lower time frame. Like, I think if we violated this 5, it wouldn't be bad short, but until that happens, is this truly bearish? Nope, because we just hit buy side. So, or sorry, not because we hit buy side, because we haven't broken any PD arrays. So, right now I actually have no bias. So I have no bias. I'm not looking to get any plays. I want to kind of see what the news does in NQ. There's a 5-minute IFVG fail. There's a 3-minute IFVG fail. I did not take either of them because, again, I'm waiting for news. And yeah. So I'm actually not bullish or bearish. How many of you guys knew that you could go into the day without having a bias? I bet you, like, one of the biggest mistakes I see traders see or do have is they always think there must be a bias going into the day. That's not actually the case. I gotta check my Discord chat too. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to. Trance again. I'm not looking for long or short right now. I kind of want to wait for the news. Um, and yeah, you could literally be wrong and end up break even. So gotta post something to my Instagram story. Isn't the final move before taking the tops on CO weird today? I don't know what that means, but yeah, almost like this 2-minute was pretty clean. If you got this as potential FAG. I hate how I just want to keep this by side. This isn't an IVG yet, but just in case it is going to turn into when I like it. I keep seeing it's like, yeah, I know Nix. Dude, the Lewis guy popping up on your Instagram, he watched my live stream for like 3 months and he never said a word. And he learned everything from me and then he started his own stuff. So, yeah. I mean, he's a cool dude, but he should at least credit me. Dude, that was fire, Wheeze. What chart is that? I want to go over that. Can you show me what chart that is? Yeah, guys, I'm streaming on YouTube with a face cam if anyone wants to join. What do you took this short? Let me check. I didn't really see a clean fair value gap here. I mean, the only clean one I see is here, but this is just too low. So, yeah, I don't really see a clean fair value gap there. All right. Thank you for doing this. Yeah, I'm trying to do more YouTube lives. Here's the dilemma though. The more I do YouTube lives, the more it's unfair to people who pay me to watch my private streams. So I try. And again, that's fine. I'm gonna try to do live streams for YouTube, like maybe once every 2 weeks. Okay, but you guys know what I mean, right? Exactly. I like the phrase "let the market come to you." That's actually really good. I'm trying to do an interview with Teenager Shamar. I'm trying to do the interview with T Trades, but trying to do an interview with T Trades. We'll see. I asked him about it. He didn't really say anything though about it yet. Shoot him a DM and be like, "Yo, you should interview Dodgy." Yo, what's up, Jacob? Learning that. Let the market come to. Yep. Yes, having a bias does increase your probability, but you don't need one. I've literally gone into days with no bias, and I'll just play momentum. A backtesting video without bias for the IFVG strategy. See, my brain's wired to like look for bias, so I'll try. But so my next thing, I'm gonna do a backtesting video on gold, and I'm gonna do a backtesting video on, I guess, with no bias. So I want to do a backtesting video on gold next. Yeah, and if you have no bias, watch price action. I totally agree. Again, I don't have a bias right now. What am I doing? I'm just watching price action. I don't even want to take a trade. All right. So, Lucas, you're down $750 on an Apex 50K challenge. You don't realize how many Apex accounts I blew before I started being like profitable on, like I was profitable on other things besides Apex. I was not profitable on Apex until I kind of learned their way of trading. Until I learned how to deal with trailing drawdown, and I need to blow accounts to figure that out. So I probably blew like 10. Thank you, Madman. I appreciate it. Does ICT follow me? No, ICT doesn't follow anyone, but he did join my stream. So the last time I did a live stream on YouTube, he actually joined and commented. Maybe he'll join again today, but I doubt it, especially if Tyna's streaming. Yeah, this will be on my channel afterwards. You'll get my premium when you get your first payout. Yeah, don't buy my premium unless you want to, unless you have extra money. I don't want to take your money, and I think if you can get a payout and buy my premium, I wouldn't buy it with the mindset of, okay, Daddy's gonna make me more profitable and give me more payouts. I'd buy it for the community aspect because I have a lot of good traders in my chat. And it's funny because my free chat on my Discord takes literally the same trades as me, and I'm not even in that chat half the time. So you don't really need me to be profitable, all right? If you can get a payout yourself, you don't need me. But if you want the community aspect, then that's the only reason. That's the mindset I'd have going into it if you did buy my Discord. Yeah, I do this full time. Well, I'm also a student as well, but in college, I'm graduating this spring. Dark, again, I have no bias right now. I don't think anything. There's literally not a thought in my brain on what I think about NQ right now. I mean, my condition right now is just 1 hour BPR. So I just want to see how we react to this. Yeah, I live stream every day in my private Discord. Am I profitable? No, I'm not. Yeah, so my plan right here, guys, is I'm literally just waiting for this hourly to be inversed. And if it is, that's my bias. If it isn't, then just nothing. Because I don't really like shorting all-time highs. So here's a plan. We already hit buy side, so you're probably like, why are you wondering for this? Why do you want this to be inversed? Well, look at ES. If you look at ES did not hit buy side. Okay, so ES could be the sixth sister and go for this buy side if this is also inverse as well. So that's kind of my plan here. Yeah, I agree, Jacob. If I don't finish my Apex eval today, we'll get reset tomorrow. It doesn't get reset, you just pay for another month. Oh, geez, I missed that. Damn it. So we got CL momentum through this. We didn't create any equal lows. See, I almost think this is a good short, but I don't play CL, so I have no idea. Target would be here. Okay, we hit buy side. Again, a lot of momentum there. Sometimes I'll like take the momentum like here without actually. So don't actually short this, guys. Don't short this because this is invalid. We hit the internal low, so this would not be a valid short. I'm just like tape reading. The only way I would actually enter the short position here is if we close below this without hitting this internal low here. But price just we're way too far now, so I just want to short it. This is just gonna be a tape read. I gotta catch up to all the comments. You're studying my strat. We'll try. Yeah, don't try Apex until you. What I tell people is I say this: start a demo account. Try to get to 53K on a 50K demo account. If you can't get the 53K, you're not gonna pass Apex. So that should be your first goal. I'm from New York, Chevy God, and I'm studying cybersecurity. How long does it take me to become profitable? 2 to 3 years is going to be your answer, probably. Did I take a trade yet? Nope, I did not. I'm not planning on taking a trade yet until the news. Yes, I do trade full time. Hi, Daniel. Greetings from DR Dodgy. What's up? I tried DR for a little bit. I just didn't like it. The entries were too big. I didn't really need DR, but do a back testing video on orange juice futures. Very funny. Heating oil? No, I'm sorry. There's no way I'm back testing heating oil. I don't think FX Replay has that. Would IFG work well with US 30? Here's the thing about US 30 or YM. I don't like YM. I just don't like YM. It just chops around so much half the time. Like, I just don't think it's as clean as ES and NQ, so I've never traded YM. I've taken one ever trade in YM, I think, and it worked because it looks so good, but I've never done that. How to deal with trailing drawdown? Always scale half at 1R or the first internal target. And what I do is like, let's say a long tier. So let's say I took a long position here. What I do is if I take a long position here and we close above this with a new fair value gap, let's say we get like a whole new other fair value gap here, I would trail my stop below that new fair value gap right here. So if we got a new fair value gap there and I want to see a hold, I trail my stop, and that's for Apex only. So that's what I do. I kind of trail my stop as we get more kind of fair value gaps and order blocks created. So yeah, I watched Tanya trades the other day. I was screaming when she got back in that position she got back in the other day. She's like, and I got in it too. I got in the same trade, but I was up like 100 points already, and I didn't care if I lost it. She took it as a revenge trade. I'm like, no, Tanya. And I was, again, I'm not gonna say anything in her chat because that's not gonna be helpful. But as soon as she got back in the position, I'm like, no, Tanya, what are you doing? I was like, I just felt so bad. How much do I risk on eval compared to live? I'll go very, very heavy on eval. I'll risk like 1,000 on eval. I blew 10 eval accounts and about 2 funded accounts. Trading NQ with prop firm CFDs. Sorry guys, for people in my Discord, I'm not really talking in here right now. No, you're good. I just don't trade CFD. Stay away. That's what I'm gonna say. Not that's gonna help, but how much for lifestyle to your Discord? You mean lifetime? You can check. Again, it's not at a discount, and I'm not trying to steal your money, but you can check if you want. It's in the link in the description. Yeah, we got LRLR here. Again, I'm leaning bullish, but it's not confirmed yet. I just want to see what open in the news does. How long have I been trading? I've only been doing ICT for like 2 years, but I've been trading for like 5 in total. So I was on the chart. So someone asked how frequent was I on the chart when I first started trading? I was literally watching every single candle from 9:30 to 4 on the chart before I was profitable. Once you're profitable, you can kind of ease off a little bit, but that's what I did. Jacob, it doesn't matter. It's just whatever I'm on for that day. I do not trade CL, but I'll analyze it. I have traded CL before. I will sometimes. The setup has to look really, really, really good. It depends. What are payouts on Apex like? You can request every 2 weeks for a payout. Takes like a week or two to come to your bank account. They're not the greatest, but you still get paid. Because I've gotten paid. Are you bearish or bullish on NQ? I'm nothing right now. I'm not bullish or bearish. I'm leaning bullish though. I'm not marrying myself to one side though. What time is news? It's 10 a.m. NQ1 exclamation point quag. My average month, I have no idea. It's just gonna depend for everyone. Depend on anyone. Depend on the person, Joey. I can't answer that. Do you play with candle close stop loss or static stop loss? I do candle close stop loss. FDAX, I don't trade. Yeah, I'm gonna go over my bias and everything. I'm trying to answer every single YouTube comment, guys, but this is so many. Oh my god. I don't know what I. Yeah, I'll review the London price action. I'll show how I take. If you go in my Discord in the general chat, I have a video on how to take partials. All right. It's how to take partials. It's in the general Discord chat, and you can go to pinned. Who do you think is influential next to ICT? Do you mean who do I think the next ICT is? No one. I think no one's going to top what he does. Maybe me in 10 years, but we'll see. I'm just kidding. Why not go on a date with Tanya if she's also from New York? I don't really want to date a trader. I'm not going to lie. I don't think that'd be fun. M3 looks nice if we inverse. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this to inverse, so. Don't you check DXY? I do not check DXY because I don't think it helps me for NQ. I would only check DXY maybe for Forex, but I don't check DXY. Oh, I'm trying to read every chat. I'm sorry, guys. This is so much. Which time frame do I use for direction? 1 hour and 4 hour. Have you watched Iman on his recent ICT video? Yes, Iman is literally just doing all that for clout. ICT can clearly trade, and if you can't see that, you're blind. He's literally just doing that for followers and clout. Okay. How do you determine your bias? Guys, how do I determine my bias? I literally have YouTube videos on this. What changed me to get profitable? I think psychology and I think screen time, to be honest. Screen time helped the most. I add the trade sometimes. Like I added to the trade yesterday. So I kind of pyramid a little bit yesterday. I got in off of this I got in here. So I got in here. I added here. And I added somewhere in here. I think I added it here. But I added there and there and there and there. Yeah, there's a lot of drones in these comments. I'm not gonna lie. My tweet was in the Iman video? Really? Wait, that's actually sick. Do I show payouts? Yeah, I've shown my payouts before. Not all of them. Give signals? Dude, if there's a signal, I'll signal it. I'm trying. I'll try my best. Not guaranteed it's gonna be a win, but how long did it take you to deal with your trading psychology? Like 3 years. Am I journaling my trades? No, I'm not. Dude, Scott Edwards, let me be honest with you. There's 700 people in this chat, and you're asking me to send you a link of my video telling to send you about daily bias. If you can't go on my YouTube, and I'm not trying to be mean, all right, if you can't go on my YouTube and type in .dddd daily bias, then how are you going to be profitable in trading? Like, genuine question. Okay. Scott, I don't know you. I now know you. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, thank you. Scott Edwards, I do like you now. How much are my signals? Are they worth it? So I do my signals about $10,000 per 2 weeks because, again, my signals they never lose. So again, if you put like $1 million in with the signal, they'd win. So they're about $10,000 every 2 weeks. So Leopard, you interested? Just shoot me a DM. You can pay me in crypto services, please. Eater, I know. It's clearly sarcasm. I'm joking, guys. The discount code is there's no discount code. So again, I think we're gonna go up here. That's my guess. 1 more minute to open. We kind of get LRLR here, and I know everyone's like, "Oh, you're trying to retail trend line." Okay, I'm just gonna take this off. And does it look better with a retail trend line, or does it look better like this? Is it bad that you're 18? You've blown 60 Apex accounts? No, not at all, dude. That's good, Brandon. That's part of the process, man. Anyone ever told me I sound like Trump? No, maybe I would be a politician. All right, let's see us go up here, boys and girls. Pump it. Take out all these stop losses, man. Let's see. Let's see. We want more. I want to take out these stop losses right here. And boom. Stop losses acquired. Boom, baby. Who took that? Oh, just kidding. So, again, I think if we inverse this, I think if we inverse this 15-minute, I think it's clear back to the high. And I think yes goes hits the high. So, I already think this is going to hit. Look at this. See this momentum, guys? I mean, just look at this. Momentum through a bearish revealing gap. This is as bullish as it gets. So this would be the first target. Again, I doubt we wick back down. That would be crazy if we did. Now, the confirmation would be like this 15-minute getting closed above. So this 15-minute on NQ. And I don't even enter out the 15-minute, but maybe if we get like a 1-minute confirmation set up. Oh. So yeah, I think we keep pumping here. All right. Kind of got that V-shaped recovery. Have any of you guys watched that video on the shorts video I posted? I'm like, this looks like a fake market structure shift. So it looks like a fake 2022 model. This is where every new trader shorts and they're like, they get wrecked. And in reality, this is a fake market structure shift. We go back to the high here. So that's why I was kind of leaning bullish. It kind of looked like that fake market structure shift. So here's the issue. I think this is bullish. I think we're going to go to the highs. But we have 12 more minutes to the candle close, and it's 9:32 a.m., and we have so much time before this candle even closes. So I'm just going to be tapering for now. You now know why I'm the worst ICT streamer. Thanks, man. I don't think we should go down. I think we're gonna go up because lots of reasons. Momentum through this bearish gap. I mean, it looks very, very clear to me. And again, I know a lot of people, they're like, oh, but dodgy. We hit buy side, and this is an inverse. Why do I not trust this for a short? I do not use Bookmap. No. Yeah, why do I not trust this inverse for a short? Yeah, because we're at all-time highs, and I'm not shorting when we hit buy side at all-time highs. Okay, we need to violate something major, and we have not violated anything major. So, I'm still bullish. Again, I still think we keep pumping. I think we're gonna go to this buy side. Again, it looks pretty good. Keep going, man. And I want to see us run through this, like just punch through it, because there's a fair value gap here, and if we punch through this, we're chilling. Yeah, it would technically be a 15-minute BPR. So what ended up happening here is that the 2-minute inception ended up holding. So that 2-minute inception ended up holding. That was nice. I'll show you how I execute my trades if we get a trade. So if we got a 1-minute inverse down here, so a 1-minute bearish gap, and we inversed it, then I'll execute. But until then, I do not trust anything. And I'm trying to wait for the news, but I'm on a funded. I'm not even on a live count today. I'm on a funded, so I may not wait for the news. We'll see. Inception fair value gap is when we have a 5-minute inverse, so such as here, but there's also like a 2 or 1 or 3 fair value gap that holds. So there's a 5-minute inverse here, and there was a 2-minute gap down here, and the body held this. So, like, sometimes I won't cut the trade even if the 5-minute gets closed below. I'll hold it till like the last inception breaks. So, guys, I'm very sorry in advance. I'm trying to answer every question on YouTube. Tanya has 5,000 viewers. I don't know how. I don't think she even answers any of them, but so Quag, I'm talking about like major, like all-time highs is major, but whenever we hit all-time highs, there's no guarantee that that's true buy side, because let me teach you guys something. All right, listen. When does a soup usually incur? A turtle soup usually occurs when there's some sort of bearish PD array or something to the left here. So like here. So let's say this is buy side. Okay, let's say this is buy side. What is, or what, no, let's say this is all-time highs. What is missing at all-time highs to the left? A fair value gap. And that's why I don't like this. Like, to me, all-time highs is not true buy side, because a fair value gap's missing. So I don't trust shorting at all-time highs until we violate something really major. So that's kind of my take. So 23 minutes of this candle close. We'll see if this closes above. Again, just like the saying, proven or innocent until proven guilty. All right, same thing. Bullish until proven bearish. Does that make sense? One track. You can take the retest. That's fine. Trend friend. I told, not yet. So I know someone higher up at Apex. I told him, like, can you not, or is there a way to not get invited to a live account? And he said, I'll see what I can do. So, I told him, like, if I get moved to a live account, I'm going to blow it. So, because a live account's worse. So, let's check NQ here again. So, see, the problem is there any clean fair value gap to the downside here in the 1 minute? Is there like a clean signature in price like how we saw yesterday? Because if you're in a live account, the fills are worse. You get paid out less. I just would rather not, trend friend. Again, there's no clean inversion to get in here. Like, there's literally none. So the 15-second actually does look pretty clean. I'm not going to lie. But I'm not going to execute the 15-second on today. So this looks really clean. So this is, I'll just tape read this. So you'd get in here at this close and you target the high. This looks super clean. Like, if we got this on the 1 minute, I'd say this is an A+ setup and this should work. So this looks really good. But again, I don't want to trade before news, especially on the 15-second chart. I mean, here's what I say to people. I'm like, if you lost this trade, would you regret it? If I took this trade and lost on it, I'd regret it, because I'd be like, what am I doing? Trading before news on a 15-second chart? Like, what is my life, you know? So I'll tape read this only. Why no 1 second chart? I'm sorry, man. How do I deal with trailing threshold? I scale half at 1 to 1R. You need to pay your plants and chat more. When will I start trading oranges futures? Never. 1 second chart. I don't think I can. My friend is texting me, why is my Top Step Express balance at 0? You just got funded. Will I be here streaming every day? Nah, man. So we got news in 19 minutes. Here's what I'm going to tell people. All right, listen. Today is 0.01001% of your trading days, meaning you have approximately, let's do the math here. Okay, let's do some math here. So if there's 252 trading days in a year, let me just do some math here. 252 days in a year times 20 years. We still have 5,040 days left. Okay, now 5,040. Now, what's 1 divided by 5,040? 1 divided by 5,040 is 0.001%. So if we have 20 years left, this is 0.001% of our trading days. And there's 20 minutes till we have news left. 20 minutes, all right? Why would you want to trade before news if this is 0.0000001% of the time you're going to have in the market? It's just not worth it, man. You're stopped on that 15 second? Very nice. I would not have gotten stopped out on this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But that's, you do you. Yeah, we do have news. We have news in both. Again, Forex Factory. If I go to Forex Factory right now. Or no, 9:45 yellow folder. 10 o'clock red folder. So. Yeah, I would not have stopped out on this. Future spreads are very, very light. Maybe we'll leave these equal highs and then get a setup to those. That would be nice. Like maybe news comes out, we get like I doubt it, but they're probably gonna hit. What websites? I use Forex Factory. Forexfactory.com is what I use. Guys, I would not have stopped out on that if I were you. You're probably trading mechanically, aren't you? Let me guess, you don't have more than a year of experience of trading, right? No, baller, I don't. There's times where I will not stop out after a close if I have conviction. I'll put it at the low. Also, why are people even getting in this play? I said not to take this. So people in my Discord should not even be in this play. There's no point in taking this. Even if it's a win, I don't care. We got news. News in 5, or news in 15. And we're just tape reading. Yeah, signal bots are like, oh, Dodgy said this fair value gap looks really good, and I don't know what tape reading means. Full port, full port. I would go on a futures broker, black baller. That's what I'd do. The NAS 100 is CFDs, and CFDs are. So here's what I'll say about CFDs. I don't speak scammer language. That's what I'll say about CFDs. Yeah, well, after my stream, JBugs. I'm just gonna go back to the 1 minute chart. So we got news in 14 minutes. Have I tried US 30? Yeah, I hate US 30. Bitcoin is cranking. Ryan, check out your chart at RTH. Yeah, I can do that. Ah, yes, a nice gap here, which I do not care about. Yeah, I'll try it. Maybe I'll do another stream with Justin. So I kind of like how these highs are being left up here. Why do you think I like that? Yeah, because maybe we'll get the news. Well, maybe we'll get a dump, and then it'll maybe give us like a textbook inversion to lead us back up to these equal highs. So I kind of like how these are left up here. So it looks really good. And again, we're not taking a trade before news. Okay, obviously that's a given. That should be common sense. We're not taking a trade before news. Okay, but this is actually a good sign because now we kind of have some sort of engineered buy side if we do get a long setup. But do we know right now? Nope. Did I get stopped out? Did I get stopped out of what? I didn't take a trade, bro. Just because I call out a 15-second play does not mean I take the trade. That's just me tape reading. I don't trade before news. See, look how clean this 1 minute gap looks. This looks very clean. This would be an A+ setup, in my opinion, if it was before, if the news came out. So again, we'd have to break you with momentum, and then that would be your entry. Oh, there it is. No, we still have a lot of time, so it looks like it. Hopefully, it doesn't trigger before the news comes out, but it probably will. So a lot of people ask me, like, they're like, would you still take this with news? Yes, maybe I would on like an eval account, not a live account though. See, like, it looks good enough to where maybe it would just be an evaluation account trade, but I wouldn't touch it on my live or like a funded or whatever. Did I lose that 15-second trade, bro? You're joking, right? Guys, has anyone here watched ICT? Has anyone here watched ICT? When does he ever teach 10 minutes straight, trading 10 minutes before news? Come on, man. I know you guys. I'm pretty sure you're joking, but I know there's people in here who probably don't know that. Yeah, I'll check up on gold. I want to see what happens here. I'll take a trade right after news. Like, gold looks really good right now. I mean, if we inverse this, bullish, but yeah, I don't mind this. Be about a 1.5 hour trade, maybe. We just traded into discount as well. We just traded into equilibrium on gold as well. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get from here. Not bullish until this breaks at all, if it even does break. So the most ratio, well, I've taken 10-hour trades and I've taken 5-hour trades. I would say the least is a 1-to-1. Tanya's taking a second trade already? Is she shorting this? Let me pull up her stream. I'm curious. Oh, yeah. She's shorting this. So her... I see, I'd never... Why wouldn't I ever short this, guys? My OGs know. My OGs know why I don't short this. Equal highs. Yes, sir. Equal highs. You don't want to get wrecked. Everyone's shorting this. You realize that, right? We already swept this low. We got equal highs. I mean, why you just wouldn't short this ever? I don't know why people short this, but yeah, this is an A+ long inversion in 9 minutes. Is it going to give the entry before after news? Probably not. So there's the entry right there. Again, I'm not taking it because we've news, but we'll tape read it. Again, I'd say this is more of like an evaluation or demo trade. So I'll actually demo trade. No, I won't. I don't want to trade before news on any account, actually. Sorry. But yeah, we'll just tape read it. Again, no, we have news. Don't trade anything. Don't trust anything until the news comes out. It's a red folder, and yeah. So. I know we have the OB, but again, does an OB matter here? No, because we have news. I don't care if we have an OB. I don't care what we have. We have news. I'm not touching anything. It's a tape read. It's a mental trade, all right? This is going to be a mental trade, all right? I got nothing here. No giveaways on my channel. I consider this OB and 1 minute fair value setup. I think this is the best setup in the market. I think like OB plus IVG is absolutely fire. All right, 7 minutes. Again, none of this matters. We got 7 minutes. We got equal highs above. Again, gun to my head, we go up here, but does it matter? No, because I'm not in a trade and we have news, so. Yeah, the only giveaway here is knowledge. Exactly. Also, the sad thing is, like, I go onto Twitter, and if this trade works, I'm going to go on the Twitter, and people will be like, let's go, Dodgy, I took this trade. And I'll be like, nice job, man. And that's all I say, because I would never take this trade. Never, ever, ever, ever. Even, I know it looks good. I know it looks A+, and it is. But, again, we have news. Again, this would be a demo or evaluation account trade only, and hopefully the news goes in your favor, man, because, yeah, I'm not a coffee drinker, no. Again, if we get one, if we put in a fair value gap here, I think we're just going to accelerate to the high. So let's see if we can put in a gap here. An inversion plus OB. It's A+ because it's two things. It's an order block and an inversion. It's like two really good PD arrays. So, all right, 6 minutes to the news. So far, we're getting kind of bad price action. And yeah, just not touching anything yet. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, Lucas. Why do you hate me at first? No, Tanya's not ICT's actual daughter. All right, 5 more minutes of news. Just to refresh everyone's memory. We're waiting for this, all right? This 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing. And yeah, this is what we're waiting for. So I try not to be arrogant, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm 21 years old. It's hard for me. I like Silver Bullet, yeah, as long as you use it right. Can I show my chart colors? Yeah. I got this green on 74, and I got this black on 76. Man, look at this chop. Choppity chop chop for the news. Wild, yeah. Now now wild, I will. Good morning, removed. How are you? How many months for consistency profitability after using IFGs? A year. All right, 3 more minutes. Yeah, that's my prediction as well, Addy. Do 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 do. Pump it, baby. Let's go. Six months if you're young, if you're like can learn fast. I think. I don't know. 3 more minutes until the moment of candle of death. I'm watching Tanya. I'm seeing where she's gonna. She doesn't even have a stop loss. Maybe she's gambling the news. Who knows? I hope she does put a stop loss though. Because again, I'm not here to fade Tanya. I'm not here to fade anyone. I'm literally just I literally see a long setup and that's what I see. So I'm not marking this long setup just because Tanya's short, guys. This is a long setup. Okay. Again, equal highs above. I wouldn't short this. And we took sell side. And we have news. It doesn't matter. Listen, if this is a win, it doesn't matter. We have news. Okay. That just it makes everything irrelevant here. Okay. I could literally brag about, oh, I called this on my YouTube stream, but did I take it? No, because we have news. All right. How long have I been trading trade cure? Like 5 years. All right, get ready. I think this news is gonna pump. Hopefully, I'm not wrong because, yeah, that would hurt my ego. I'm just kidding. Pump it, baby. Let's go. OB and IFPG setup. I'm 21. 40 seconds into the candle of death. She's putting her stop loss at the equal highs. Oh, God. I hope she... I don't even know what to say. Hope she could get lucky. We'll see. I look like I'm about to drop dead. All right. All right. 16 seconds until the candle of death. 10 seconds. I know people are in this on like an email account right now, dude. Uh-oh, here it comes. Bam! Let's go! Let's go! No short with equal highs there, bucko. So again, I would never short that. And how many people did take that in eval? I know a lot of you took that. Good job. If you typed one, you're getting kicked out of my Discord for gambling. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Why do you guys trade, man? Oh my god, I can't, bro. You guys are all in the trade. Imagine if that was a loss. Imagine if the candle went the other way, dude. What happened to Tanya? Did she stopped out? See, I feel bad. What was the first trade she took? He's holding. He's not holding. So we got our first successful setup of the day. I'm now 1 for 1 at the casino today. We're 1 for 1 at the casino. And ES inverse the hourly. Now this is actually an interesting situation. ES inverse the hourly, but then the next candle already hit the high. So technically speaking, we took out the first target, and this does not convince me too much actually here, because if we did get a short setup here with us having this SMT after wicking this internal, like I low-key wouldn't mind it. So like if we if we got like a really high momentum candle through this, I would take that short. But you can see that buy side level I had marked earlier was hit. Yeah, so could I take a trade on G? No. Let me check it. Oh, maybe. Low key. We swept sell side here. I don't think this 15 minutes terrible if we get it. Yeah, I don't think that's terrible. Yo guys, type 1 if you took that on your live account. You guys are making me so upset. You're gonna all be unprofitable. No. Banned. Look at this price action now. Lovely price action we have here, mate. So, again, people ask me, how do I know the buy is here? Again, I'm just gonna watch and wait for the reaction. I don't see I'm making like a. Here's the thing. We saw what good price action looked like yesterday, did we not? Yesterday, this was amazing price action. Okay, amazing price action, V-shaped recovery. I mean, everything here was just outstanding. Okay, and we got a really nice 2-minute long, which I did execute and post on my YouTube or not on my YouTube, on my Twitter. Like, we know what good price action looks like. Okay, this was the best trade all day yesterday. I took this trade back to the highs. Are we seeing anything similar to this right now? Not really. Okay, so I think if we violate this, that's kind of my condition at the moment. If we violate this, I am interested in shorts, but until then, I'm just kind of watching, waiting. I don't see good price action like we had yesterday, and I know what good signature and price looks like to me, and I don't see it yet. So Again, people join live streams expecting the guy to take like 1 million trades. Yet, that is the opposite of what I do. So, oh, okay. I think I'm gonna try this one. This doesn't look terrible. So we're gonna try the setup right here. I'm gonna have to go light because this is gonna close way too bad here. So there's that entry. Now what I do is here would be the stop the break even. But the stop the break even is really close, but it is 10 points, so we'll see. Hopefully we can chew by it. And I'm on a funded account right now. I'm not trading minis or anything. And yeah. T-Trade Sexy, did he respond anything to that, Todd? Todd, let me know what he says. So tell him interview for, I don't know, what should he even say? I don't know, dude. Just say like talking about my IPGs or something like that. Honestly, you have no clue. Just say like, I don't know, my journey in IPGs maybe. I used to text T-Trades all the time about one second, I'm just managing this trade. I used to text T-Trades literally all the time about trade setups and stuff. So I'm gonna scale another one there. Then I'll do another one up here. And stop the break even. Yeah, I don't know. Just tell him my IPG trade journey. I don't know. I don't care. That's fine. Save video. Yeah, I don't know. See, here's the thing. I just do IPGs. I don't do anything else. So it's like, I don't know. All right, come on. Give me the data highs, baby. One setup for life. 78. This would be 30 points if it hits. Yeah, I'm listening to music right now. Nah, I'm not holding a runner. I don't really care. Come on, market. You know you want to. I think this will help a little bit. Bang! Let's go. Ugh. Guys, I'm the worst ICT live streamer ever, man. What am I listening to right now? Let's see. So 30-point trade right there. I'm listening to The Nights by Vici. Got the one setup for life there, taught on my YouTube. Why are I not trading minis? Because I'm on a funded account right now. I'm on a 50K. And I'm done off my live count today, so. She said, one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life we will remember. Told me when I was just a child. Yo, guys, I suck at trading. Need 400 more for what? A payout or pass or eval? So live a life you will remember. Told me when I was just a smile. No, this is not a sell. I'm going back in the 1 minute chart. Give a motivational speech right now. All right, guys, listen up. It takes 10 years to be profitable, and you will not be profitable unless you put in the work. All right, you put in the work, you have discipline, okay? And that's all you need, all right? And for a price of only $200,000, you can buy my course, and I literally teach you everything you need to know, okay? $200,000. And I'm telling you, I'm giving you this stuff like no one knows where to find this stuff. And literally only for 200K, all right? You can learn how to be disciplined. You can learn how to be a good trader. And all right, that's how it's work. You're not going to be a good trader without it, all right? So that was my motivational speech, all right? And that's what we got here. So exactly. For my knowledge, I'll make you $1 billion. Again, and there is a discount. Okay, it's a 1% discount. So if you don't, 200,000 is too much for you. It is going on sale for $199,995. There's a $5 coupon code if you use a honey. So yeah. I gotta make a video. All right, ready? I'm gonna say who took this trade. Everyone type W. Just spam W when I say who took this trade. I'm making a video, right? All right, ready? Oh yeah, I gotta pause my shit. Let's go, baby. One setup for life. Who took this trade? Yes, sir. We ain't no signal service over here. Bro. Half the people typing L. All right. That's good. That's good. Help, we're being held hostage. So what do we do now that we got it in a trade and it went 30 points? What do we do? You, oh, Eli, I don't have my headphones in, but YouTube. All right, let's see who's smarter, my YouTube or my Discord. Yes, you stop and you take the weekend. Exactly. And we wait for ICT to join, hopefully. Maybe ICT will join. Alrighty, best friends. Got her venture. Wait, Mr. Sendrix, did you take did you take this trade? If I give you another win, you'll oil me up. All right. So we're gonna take a full port long here, all right, guys? All right. Full port long. I'm sorry, it's just gotta be done. This dude said he's gonna oil me up if I give another winning trade, so I'm just kidding. Yeah, sure, Beach Panda. Well, I have a live and funded is both like you can make money on those, and eval is just you can't make money. It's only like a test, so. I bought, bro. Where's my stop loss and take profit? We're gonna go for a this is gonna be a stop loss right here. Actually, no, stop loss down here. So this trade should work. So it's about a 0.15 R. I do not touch GU, no. So again, what I usually do is sometimes I'll like move it down if I start seeing really red candles. So Oh, GU looks good for a long, maybe. Damn it. I missed the entry. I was literally looking to take the century all morning. Man, I missed it. That's great. I would have been on the leaderboards if I took that entry. If it hits, because I would have risked 1,000 to make 1,000. Fuck, dude. Oh wait, no, I won enough. The guy in 10th has 2,000, so I'd have only up 1,000. So this is the leaderboard right now, but that would have been about a 1 hour trade. Damn, I wish someone alerted me that. I would have taken that. Oh well. Wait, you can't risk $1,000? Oh, okay. Never mind then. Jimmy Buckets. Yeah. Can you please chill, Jimmy? Thank you. So wait, 5,500 lots. You're not talking about units, right? Oh wait. Oh, 55,000. Max you can risk is $66? Wait, what? There's no shot. Uh-oh, looks like I got another one. Do we take this one? Yes or no? Guys, no, 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 no. There's equal lows right here. Nope, nope, nope. One, we're green for the day, and two, there's equal lows here, which we're probably gonna be taking out. I'm not taking another. There's no way I'm taking another trade. So it doesn't look like we're gonna get. So again, remember how I said I'm watching the reaction here? What did the reaction tell me that we were bullish? Like this V-shaped recovery just told me you're bullish. So that's why I took the trade. All right. Now it looks like ES is gonna run this buy side. So it looks like we're gonna put this 15-minute gap in here. All right, which would technically be a breakaway gap. Because we're oh wait, no, we're not. No, we're not. We would have the close above it. Okay, never mind. It's not a breakaway gap. But see how we held this. All right, we kind of pushed through this. It just doesn't look like we're gonna get an SMT. So, and there's equal lows. So sometimes when you get a breakaway gap, you'll get like a close above a high that took another high. So we have a high, took this high. If we get a close above there, which we never did, with a gap on that close, but. So, yeah. Yo, everyone, I'm about to post a tweet. It's going to be posted at 10:25 a.m. Let's see how many likes. It's going to be the video of you guys saying W. Let's see how many likes we can get on it in a minute. I'm going to screen record. The record so far is 240. Right. So 10:25 a.m. And yeah, this will be uploaded as a video. You can watch this. So there the equal lows are. This never even inverse, so I'm going to kind of watch this. Why do I mark this one out? Why not another one? Why am I not marking this one out? The same thing, Xander. You can just see farther down on them in Q1. Yes, because this one's obvious. It's actually at the 50% of this impulse. So that's kind of why. All right, ready? 10:25. I'm posting it. Get ready to like it. I'm gonna screen record this and to see how many likes we can get on it. We gotta be 240. All right, posted it. Right. It's posting. And it is. What's my Twitter? Dodgies DD. All right, it's posted. Can we beat 240? Let's see. 70 right now. Come on, guys. There's I don't think we're gonna beat it. Could I tell you more about my premium subscription? I don't want to steal your money, so no. Audio lost. Hello? Wasted till I didn't want to deal with myself tonight. I'm not a recognize. Audio. Now is my Discord audio. Long that I'm not long in this, bro. I'm done for the day, man. I don't want to long in a premium. I like to long a discount, and we were in discount, so. Remember, guys, the long I took was in discount down here. Now we're in premium. I don't want to long in premium. Nothing but doubt. It could work, but I don't really care. The signature and price itself looks good. I agree, but we're just kind of in premium, so it's like, okay, whatever. I'm not. Again, I'm green for the day. I don't need to long this. Wasting in the didn't want to deal with myself tonight. Better. YouTube stream quality is garbage. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm on holiday next week, guys, so. By the way, everyone on my YouTube, in here for free. What I'm gonna do is I don't want to get copyrighted, so before I end the stream, I'm gonna open up my voice chat on Discord, and you guys can all join for free. There's only 870 people that can join, so about only 300 of you will be able to join. And I'm gonna play an outro song. All right, so I'll open it up for free when I'm wanted to get off, probably in like 20 minutes. So. I live stream every day in my private Discord, yeah. Yeah, that was a good IFG in the 1 minute. Wait, which one? I don't see an IFG in the 1 minute. Oh, right here? Are you talking about this one right here? I would be more aggressive in taking partials Dolfo. That's what I would do, so. Toby, thanks. Toby, thanks, man. Wow, who took this on gold? Did I not call this shit? Gold printed off this. Oh my god. Via streamer like Speed and Aiden Ross. All right. All right, let me dive into my computer 1 second. Bro, dude, speed literally breaks his shit. Did anyone take this on gold? That looks so good. I might hop on, but probably not. I'm not gonna be the main live streamer next week. No trade carrier. CL? Oh my god, dude. Look at this. Oh my god. That was clean. We took sell side here. We delivered from this 15-minute. And then we got a 5-minute. We got like a 4 and a 5. Oh my god. That's just so clean. So clean. All right, so let me see what I think about this. I don't think I don't even want to trade anymore. I'm done, man. Yeah, bro. The gold was. Remember I drew discount on premium? Remember this right here? That wasn't discount. We hit discount, then we got it. So now we hit discount officially on NQ. So I kind of want to see how ES reacts to this before you think about shorting. This girl just texted me, if I got arrested, would you bail me out? I feel like this is some TikTok trend. What should I even say to that? I'm just going to say no. I'll only bail an IFVG out. Should I say that? W response? Yeah, she's pretty cute. All right, I said no. I'll only bail an IFVG. I'm just kidding. I won't say that. Say. I don't even know what to say. Guys, I'm joking. Why would I say that? It's ICT Riz. So I think this would be an actually pretty good setup right here if we delivered from here. Okay, because if we delivered from this gap here and the body kind of held, I think, and we got like decent momentum. Now, okay, it's like, okay, now we fit discount. Now this would be a better play. Okay, but if we don't get it, we don't get it. Like we could close under this and be bearish. It just, we want to see what happens in this ES for rally gap here. So I think if this ES gap breaks, I think we're going to be bearish the rest of the day. I think this would be the target. And then I think we'd go for this low here. It's kind of relative equal. But it all depends on this. Like you remember, you're not bullish and you're not innocent until proven guilty. Okay. Same thing. We're not bearish until it's proven. All right. We're bullish until proven and bearish. And I can't say this is bearish yet. All right. So we'll watch how we react to this discount level. Again, if we get momentum back up to this, I think this would be a pretty decent setup because now we fit discount of the dealing range. And yeah, I wouldn't mind it. So I got game. I got more game than you, bro. And even the 2 minutes really, really clean here. So I like the 2 minute here. It's pretty clean. Yeah, the gold trade was in discount because, again, the impulse leg was here to this high. And we were traced to the 0.50. So the entry wasn't a discount, but we hit discount and then it gave the entry. Okay, same thing with here. I mean, this 30-second was just the entries in premium, and we didn't even hit discount. This entry here is in premium, but we did hit discount, and we're delivering off of fair value in discount. So this would be better in my opinion. And ES still, for now, I'm going to say is buy set above, and we're still reacting off this gap here. So I would like this inversion much better if we did get it, all right? So, yeah, I mean, if we don't get it, we don't get it. But, again, I'm not shorting until this ES fair value gap breaks, all right? So, yeah. What do I think about Bitcoin? I think Bitcoin's going to go to all-time highs probably. We're still engineering a lot of trendline liquidity. So what I think's going to happen is I think we're going to take some of this out, and then I think we're going to go like, woo. So I don't know where we're going to bounce. Maybe we could even go here and then bounce, but we're engineering a liquidity to both sides. So I think we're going to stop people out who think we're going to be short. Those guys will get wrecked, and then we'll rip their faces off again. So. I'm not raising up Tanya. No, thank you. So yeah, I think this is so bullish, man. I low-key might take a YOLO Euro trade if this inverses in 22 minutes. You know what? Should I do it? I think this is going to be my first trade. I'm not going to lie. Nah, I don't want to do it. I don't like Bitcoin. No, I hate Bitcoin. The chart's telling me we're going to go to all-time highs. Again, I could literally be super bearish on this, but that doesn't change what the chart's telling me. I mean, we have entered liquidity here. It's not something I'd short. So I think we'd stop out. I think we'd take these guys stop losses, and then we'd go up. So. Again, still trying to just chill and just watching price. Again, this is not, the market's not telling me that we want to break this yet. All right. And again, we might not even break it. It's just something to watch. All right. This is what trading is, man. Just watching and waiting. No, I'm not a fan of crypto. I don't like crypto. Yeah, that's clean, to you, Joe. Yeah, it's literally 90% watching the market and 10% execution. So, by the way, don't forget to leave a like on the stream if you guys like the stream, right? Now, you can leave a dislike if you want, if you hate me, all right? It's a free country, so you can do whatever you want. It's faded. It's not, I don't hate crypto. Like, I just don't know enough about crypto. That's my short answer. I'm only 21. I barely even know how crypto works. And if anyone asks me about crypto, I just ignore them or don't answer. So anything, if the word crypto comes out of my mouth, I suggest not listening to me because I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. The first on Q trade was a discount because we kind of created a dealing range here and we hit that 0.50. See this? So the entry was in premium, but we took out discount here. See it? And again, from this dealing range to up here, this was kind of a discount trade. So, yeah. Dude, this looks so good. If we get it. Yeah, what's up, Ricks? Like, even in the 30-second, it doesn't look bad, so. Trying to find. I bet you Levi's in the short for anyone in my Discord. I hope he gets wrecked. We just gotta accelerate through this, and he's gonna get destroyed. I'm not even taking this trade. I'm done for the day, man. I'm profitable, and I'm not taking another trade. So, again, I'm not even trading a live count today. I'm trading my funded. So, but I target the 1-to-1 first, and then my final target would be whenever this high gets taken out on ES, I'd sell. So it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. It could be a 1-to-1. But whenever this high gets taken out on ES, I'd sell my NQ position. So if we get it. Do not, if you want a free trial for my Discord, do not start it because this week, because I'm going on vacation. So check oil. Yeah, oil looks super, super good. Now, where would liquidity be next? There's a SIBI right here, so I think this is going to be what we're going to draw to, most likely. And then we'll kind of see how we react to this, so. But yeah, oil is just, the train has left the station. I want to touch it now. This would have been the entry. Yeah, so Leopard's going to live stream Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I just don't know. I mean, if like Goonie, Eli, or Live wants to come on, they can feel free, but I don't want to force anyone. I just don't like ES. That's why I don't want to trade it. I mean, low key, this would be the long entry for ES. If you want to trade ES. Okay. But the risk reward is, I don't know. I don't like how ES moves. It moves way too slow. But this would be the long, and you target this buy side right here. Again, I like trading inversions better, and I think NQ just looks cleaner here, so. LaFan, I'll probably do that in April, maybe. We'll see. Also, it's NFE week next week, so be very careful. Yo, if I take another video for my Snapchat story, can you guys say I love Ryan? Real quick. No, say I hate Ryan or something like that. You can say whatever you want. And I'm not, say like you can say I hate Ryan or I love Ryan. I don't really care. Are you ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo, chill. All right, all right, all right. All right, who's in the trade, boys? Let's go. First target would be here. And then once ES hits this high, I'd just be out. And I'd move south to break even here. I got some missions and nobody can see. It's all of these emotions are pouring out of me. I didn't miss the entry, bro. You missed the entry. Why did I not consider that? Because, I mean, this looks pretty bullish. ES still is buy set above. So I'd take the 2 or 3 here. No, I'm not taking this, dude. I'm done for the day. You can take this is a good setup, guys. This is an A+ setup. I'm done for the day, so. Again, you want CES take this high. ES should take this high. Again, that's what it looks like. There's a fair value gap here that's likely going to hold. Again, isn't it like, again, I'm not taking this trade. Why am I not taking this trade, guys? Someone tell me. Why am I not taking the trade? Does it have anything to do with the actual setup? No, I'm green and it's Friday and I'm going on vacation next week and I already alerted a good play. So why would I want to? I'm already up 30 points. I was up 200 yesterday. Why would I want to take another trade here? No, there's just no point. All right. So I am just not taking another trade. I think it's a fine setup, but I'm done for the day and we're in premium. We already hit buy side. I don't want to take anything else. So. Now I'm listening to Use This Gospel by DJ Khaled. Who likes that song? No. Yeah, no more signals today. The blessing in the Father, we put our faith. I'm going to Florida. Let 3 equal highs here in the S. Good sign. This is where price tends to get wonky right before buy side because what a lot of people try to do is they chase this and then we'll start doing some BS to try to stop them out and then we'll go up. Same thing happened the other day, so. Empire State of Mind. I'll listen to that song next. How many years did it take me to become profitable? Probably 3, and I started when I was like 16. I literally just want ES at this buy side. Gospel. Yeah, I'm graduating this spring, so. Empire State of Mind. I would put background music on from the stream, but I don't feel like it. And I don't want to get copyrighted. We have a little tiny gap here that we'll need to break. What's my major? Cybersecurity. I want to start a business as well, like another I want to get into real estate too. Little more upside, please. I want to see a candle punch through this at the same time. I like it. We don't really get too much homework, so. These lights will inspire you. All right, let's see a little punchy punch. A little punchy punch to these highs. The funny thing is, like, this is 1.5 from these equal highs to this buy side. This is literally 1.25 points. That's crazy. That's nuts. It's just nothing. Now we have 4 equal highs. Come on, give us a little punchy punch. Oh, it'll be stuck until it's not. If you guys go on OnlyFans later, you'll see a video called Price Stuck. Price got stuck today. I only use ES, I only use ES analysis when I think it's obvious. I mean, I think this is pretty obvious right now, so. Typically no, though. Let's get a 5th equal high. Come on. The more liquidity we can generate up here, the better. Okay, there we go. Let's punch through this. A little more. The NQ entry would be break even now. Okay, final target would be here. I even gave a re-entry here. Again, I don't know when you want to scale. I'm not going to tell you guys on the scale, but eat up. There's nothing we can't. See, you just need this not to stall, and then MNQ will just rip up here. I really hope this just goes up for you guys. Little more, come on. Little more. A little more. Literally one more point. Again, as soon as ES is his buy side, I low-key sell an NQ, alright? And alright, I'd be out there, right there. Boom, baby. Let's go. So, another nice, super nice trade. Good job. Ugh. Would we even count that 2 for 2 or 1 for 1? I mean, I said it was an A+ setup, did I not? I'm listening to Run This Town now. All right, ready? Every single person type W, and we're doing one more video. One more video, type W. Not yet, 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 not yet. Ready? All right, ready? Now. Let's go, baby. All right. All right, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. All right, everyone, join my AM stream channel. I'm gonna make it so everyone on YouTube come to my AM stream channel, and we're gonna play an outro song. All right, I'm gonna open it up. All right, you guys should all be able to join now, and I'm gonna end the stream. But we're gonna do an outro song, and I can't play it on YouTube because I'm gonna get copyrighted. So, all right, let's join up here. Everyone, join my stream on Discord. I'm about to end it. Ready? So thank you guys for coming on YouTube. I'm ending the stream now, and peace. And join my Discord stream for literally 10 minutes. All right, goodbye.